No, don't worry about traffic ads. There's no reason for you as an e-commerce store that you want purchases to actually run traffic ads and then retarget them. Whoever is saying that, they don't know what they're talking about. Haven't you seen my YouTube video about it? On the other hand, you can do a very small testing with $10, I guess, and we can test to run traffic ads and then retarget them. I don't think it's a big issue, especially if you're spending $1,000 per day. What do you mean automatic placements? Only Facebook feed, Instagram stories, and maybe Facebook stories is working. Nothing else is working. Haven't you seen my video about the breakdown of results and how it's working? You should not spend any money on automatic placements. You are just spending on some other placements, and at the end of the day, it optimizes only for these 4 placements. On the other hand, maybe we can try some automatic placements, maybe on the retargeting ads, and see if it's working or not. It's not okay if it spends some money. At the end of the day, it's going to optimize to the other options. No, don't worry so much about overlapping. I know that there are a lot of people that are talking about consolidation and that you should run your ads with 3 or 4 ads with very big budgets, but this is not okay. In my opinion, you should have a CBO campaign with many ads, many interests, so that you can do your daily optimization and actually understand which one to keep or which one to lose, so that you will have less risk when you are running your ads. Imagine having an ad which is spending $1,000 in an ad set, okay? It's going to be too much, instead of just having several ad sets that they're going to spend the same budget. On the other hand, okay, I have seen some campaigns, some DPA campaigns with open targeting, that you're putting enough budget so that you can reach the 50 sales per week for the 7 days attribution window, okay, we can try it, I guess. Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to talk about Facebook representatives. Do we need them? I really enjoyed creating my intro video for this video, but I need to clarify something before we move to our topics. And this is the fact that you should not listen to Facebook representatives the way that I did because of the doll watching at me, okay? You can try stuff from time to time. This is the whole logic of what I was proposing, but you should not trust them blindly. And you should trust the person that you are working with and you are paying to do your Facebook ads. Okay, oh boy, the time has come where I have to finally talk about Facebook reps. I talk every month with some Facebook reps for the businesses that I manage. Some are good, some are rude, and some of them are just bad, and some are kind. Let's start with the negatives. Number 1. They are all brainwashed by Facebook for automatic placements, doing traffic ads and retargeting with conversion ads, or even about consolidation of campaigns. They remind me of North Korea and how brainwashed the people are there. For them, the supreme leader is Facebook, and they believe whatever they are told to believe. Number 2. They work for Facebook, so spending more is good for them, and guess what? If your ads fail, they won't get fired. This is why you should listen to your Facebook ads manager. We take the blame at the end of the day. Number 3. They will come to you with the craziest ideas like the Q5 concept. They say that the best period to run ads is from 25 to 31 September, the Q5 as they call it, since brand don't spend a lot and you can spend a lot getting better results. Seriously, the guy that thought of this in Facebook should run a political career. It is the biggest fact-based bullshit I have ever heard. Well done! Just to be clear, it's the equivalent of me saying, for example, I'm going to go out on Valentine's Day because it's easier to find a girlfriend then, because if a girlfriend doesn't have a boyfriend at that period, she might be jealous, and the moment that I'm going to try to find her, success. Which is actually a fact, okay? A girl that doesn't have a boyfriend on Valentine's Day, maybe she's going to be jealous. But she's not going to be outside on the restaurants alone so that you can go and find her, okay? So this is the same thing, fact-based, but it's not going to happen in reality. And now, of course, it's time for the advantages. Number one, if you ever get banned, they can escalate your case and you will get unbanned faster. That's it. There are no other advantages.
Wow.
I cannot think of any other. Okay, I guess you can send them an email asking something, and based on their answer and your knowledge, you can have a better opinion about it, but that's it. It's only one advantage. My suggestion is to keep talking with them and discuss the same way you discuss with friends about Facebook ads. You don't have to be convinced, but you can reach your own conclusions. Don't forget that their job is to make you spend more, and lying is the fastest way to achieve that. But to be fair, as I said, I think they are just brainwashed by Facebook on what is good and what is bad. They are missing experience since they don't get criticized based on results. For instance, I do care if the results of my clients are good and whether they will fire me, and this motivates me to be better each day. So this is my motivation. What is their motivation? In any case, that's my honest opinion about the Facebook representatives. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more in the future. If you feel like it, leave your questions below and your question might be featured in a future video. Sometimes I even answer below in the comments. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can read my book or check my courses or even follow me on Instagram where I upload more videos. Links are below in the description, of course. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.